Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a quick safety net. Back up your important files now, then unplug printers and USB drives to avoid driver clashes. Once done, restart and enter safe mode with networking. This limits what runs so we can fix the update. You'll use built-in tools, so make sure you're signed in as an administrator. This first step prevents data loss and isolates the update process. It's faster and safer than troubleshooting in full Windows, where third-party services can interfere. Now you tackle the update system itself. Open an elevated command prompt and stop userv, bits, and crypts so files aren't in use. Next, rename the software distribution and cacheroute 2 folders. This clears the corrupted cache that commonly blocks updates. After that, run dism/online/cleanupimage to restore the Windows image, and then sfc/scano to fix system files. These commands repair what Windows Update depends on, so updates can resume cleanly without reinstalling. Finish by restarting the update services you stopped, then reboot into normal Windows and check for updates again. If the same error appears, record the error code and search for the specific update or driver in the Microsoft Update catalog to install manually. Make sure to try a clean boot if problems persist. This isolates startup apps and services that can block installation. If you still cannot update, use System Restore or a repair install, however. The clean boot diagnostic is the fastest way to find interfering software.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.